Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to import Oracle Solaris 11.4 virtual machine template to VirtualBox 7.0. Okay, so go to File, Import Appliance. Okay, so import appliance. So from local folder I am going to import. So this is the name of the file which I have already downloaded from Oracle website. So this is a VirtualBox OVA format, virtual appliance. Okay. So these are the settings of Oracle Solaris 11.4 VM appliance. So I am browsing the base folder. Okay. So I am going to import everything. So these are the settings in the .ova file. Okay. So everything will be clear. Okay. So at least 4 GB RAM you should need. Okay, 1 CPU core and 32 GB hard disk. Okay. Finish it. So I have provided the instructions in the description of the video, so you can follow the instruction also. So I have completed the import. Okay. Additionally, I am going to configure some settings. Okay. General, advanced, I am going to enable. Shared clipboard and drag and drop. System, motherboard, pointing device will be USB tablet, and base memory also I am going to increase to 8 GB RAM. So instead of 4 GB RAM, I am going to allocate 8 GB RAM. For my performance purpose, I am increasing the CPU cores. Okay, display as it is, nothing I am changing. Storage, you can see that 32 GB is allocated. Okay, actual size is 8 GB. So these are the instructions given by Oracle. So I have copy pasted in the description of this video, so you can follow this instruction also. Okay, so what I have did is I have increased the RAM size and CPU cores. Okay, rest of the settings will be as it is, and enabled VirtualBox guest edition features. Okay, so finally I am going to mount one Windows host machine folder to Solaris 11 virtual machine. Okay, auto mount it. That's it. Okay, now let's start the Oracle Solaris 11.4 VM, which is imported. So here we need to configure some additional settings. So some setup will be running. So give computer name. So I am giving fully qualified domain name as a computer name and press F2. Okay. Select a wired network. Yes. Press F2. DHCP. Yes. Press F2. Asia. F2. So I am located in India. Press F2. F2. So next I am selecting English. English will be my language. So next United States, UTF-8 I am selecting. F2. Date and time. F2. Select your keyboard. US English I am selecting. F2. So provide the root password. Root password should be in alphanumeric. Keep in mind. Confirm the root password. Next I am going to provide one login username and provide the password for login username. So password should be in alphanumeric. F2 continue. So here I am not going to touch anything. F2 continue, F2 apply. Finally F2 apply. So that's it. So now you can see that Solaris desktop is started and login screen is appeared. Let me log in. So this will be a Genome desktop. So Oracle Solaris 11.4 with Genome desktop. Okay, so this is Genome desktop. Start using Oracle Solaris. Okay, let me adjust the display settings to full screen. Yes, I can able to adjust. Okay. Now let me visit to the applications. So these are the applications installed by default. So all the basic applications are installed. Like system monitor, disk utility, task manager, etc. BIM editor also is there. So all the basic applications used for development are installed. Okay, so first I open the terminal. So I am going to run some commands. So after running the commands, I am going to copy paste the terminal output to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. So I already enabled shared clipboard, drag and drop, and shared folders. Okay, so let me go to Windows host machine notepad. Yes, so I can able to copy paste. Next, let me try from Windows host machine to Solaris 11. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard is working fine in Oracle Solaris 11.4 virtual machine. So now let me try the shared folder. So you can see here shared folder is already mounted under /mnt. So directly we can't access the shared folder, only root user can access it. Yes, I can able to read the contents of shared folder. So finally we have successfully imported Oracle Solaris 11.4 virtual machine template to VirtualBox 7.0 with guest editions enabled. Okay, so you can update the Oracle Solaris 11.4 virtual machine using the pkg update command.